My name's Jeff Clark. I'm an applications engineer with Environmental Treatment Concepts, who some of you will have heard a short bit about this morning. We manufacture a range of electronic water conditioning systems that predominantly clear out your hot water system from limescale. So it's a water conditioner. It descales hot water systems, thereby improving the energy efficiency of that system. We are innovative in the way that we have applied our technology in different applications, in different industries. We are working with food industry in process, we work with wastewater industry, we work in leisure, in hotels. There isn't an application that uses water where we aren't or haven't been successful. To answer some of the questions that the prompts in the brochure for the event, innovation in the UK, is it still alive? Well, somebody said yes, it is, and absolutely it is. We believe where we won a grant to develop a product for anaerobic digestion, which is growing in this country, and I believe that the UK is actually leading the way in anaerobic digestion technology and getting power from waste, and we're heavily involved in that market. The major hurdle to our innovation, we believe, is that it is boring. Our technology is seen as boring, and it's only when you get to the people that actually pay the bills that typically is energy managers, we suddenly get listened to and invited to run trials and prove that our technology works with great success. In fact, we did an exhibition MX at the XL last week, and we had 4 people come on our stand, and out of those 4 people, every one of them had an application and bought into our technology. And over the past 2 days I've visited 3 of them, and we'll probably get business in the region of about £80,000 based on knowledge of our technology and how we apply it. Another hurdle to our technology getting to market is we are a small company. We're an SME. There are about 15 of us based in Hampshire in an old pig farm, which again has its challenges when you bring people to the office. We don't get invited to speak to the major players when construction projects are being put together. It's the tier ones. We're down at tier 3, tier 4, talking to subcontractors, M&E subcontractors, and they don't get our technology. They don't buy into it. They don't believe it works. So we have a problem. We recently proposed to IHE, which is the Hospital Estates Management organisation, at an exhibition or a seminar, that we wanted to drive an innovation exchange program where we would enlist support from technology partners, and we would design, get built and promote a removable or a mobile plant room that we would move around the country to different exhibitions, and that plant room would be a sustainable, energy efficient plant room that every estates manager and every chief engineer in a hotel would want in his building. And that's something that we're driving forward at the moment, and have had a lot of interest from industry suppliers. The university facilities, that subject is a bit alien to me. I'm a secondary modern boy, and the only time I've ever been into a university was to sell them something. But our company, as John said earlier, we have recently started a KTP program with a KTP graduate, and he's looking at devising a test where we can actually show people what our system does or how it does it, rather than showing them a clean chlorifier after 12 months. So basically, I'm not an environmentalist, but I do care about the environment so much that I'm working in the industry, providing a technology that helps promote environmental awareness through process changes and more importantly through behavioural changes.